Juggling tenants, maintenance issues, and late payments can turn property ownership into a stressful experience. But what if it didn't have to be this way? At Agile Construction, we take the hassle out of managing rental properties so you can focus on what matters most. Finding trustworthy tenants is essential to your property's success. We handle advertising, background checks, credit reviews, and references to ensure you get reliable tenants who pay on time and respect your property. Our professional rent collection methods keep your cash flow consistent. No more chasing late payments or awkward tenant conversations. With Agile Construction, you don't need to rely on outside contractors. As a full-service general contractor, we handle all maintenance and repairs in-house. Regular inspections and prompt attention to issues keep your property in top shape and your mind at ease. Vacant properties hurt your bottom line. We use expert marketing and pricing strategies to minimize downtime and attract tenants quickly. Emergencies happen, but you don't need to deal with them. Our team is available around the clock to handle urgent issues, giving you peace of mind. Whether you own one property or several, our scalable solutions make managing multiple properties easy, helping you grow without the extra workload. With Agile Construction, you can say goodbye to stress and hello to freedom. Focus on your priorities while we take care of the rest. Agile Construction, your trusted partner in property management across Connecticut.